Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how the custom component is created in Blazor, what is the purpose of value changed event callback. For that example we are taking the textbox.razor.cs which is we are developed previous video, which is developed in the previous video. Here we are showing what is that event callback. This is the event callback with a return type of value string and the name is value changed. Now we are when now the value is changed, we are checking if it has a delegate and we are invoking it with value. Okay, this is the existing feature. It is the existing one, and currently I will show you how it works. So if you go to the output, if you see here, when there is no value it will show you the error correctly. If I am typing the value, it makes you the work the two-way binding exactly, and here also I'm binding it with one way. Everything works perfect. When you delete in the other way, other power control, here it is deleting, so the two-way binding is works perfectly. Now we will comment it out in our property. Before that I will show you in UI also. UI page, template page. See here, I will change the event name to from text box value changed to value changed. Now if I save this, it will show you as error. What is that error? The component parameter value change is used two or more times for this component. Parameters must be unique. The component parameter value change is generated by the bind-value. That means the bind-value attribute directive as a directive uses this value change event internally. So that's why we can't able to use it in these two places. So now we will revert back this into old event callback. Okay. Now what we will do, we will comment out this line which will invoke the event. If you comment out this and hard reload the page, now if you see here, if I type anything it won't work because it doesn't bind the value with your property, and also the two-way binding is not work and the binding also is not work. The one-way binding not change the value when we change the value in the text box. So this is the usage. So if we want to create a custom component, defaultly we have to add a parameter with a type event callback with the name of value changed. You got it? If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And I will share you the repository URL for this custom component in Blazor in the description. You can refer it. Thanks guys.